Hey guys, this is Win. I'm a freelance illustrator. I've been working in the entertainment industry for about 10 years for clients like Marvel, Netflix, and Upper Deck. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do sketch cards that include 3/4 of the body. There's 3 sections. The first section, I'm going to cover basic human proportions and 10 things to think about while you're drawing the figure. In the second section, I'm going to show you how to study from quick sketches. We're going to learn how to capture motion by looking at gesture, and we'll use negative shapes in order to place the limbs accurately. In the third section, I'll demonstrate on 3 different sketch cards the process of creating, which includes penciling, inking, and using watercolor to color your piece. Thanks for watching. Let's get to it.